It is 9 a.m. and I haven't set foot outside. I haven't eaten anything. Didn't get up for sunrise. I didn't go to breakfast. I didn't go anywhere. I made a commitment not to film today. I'm failing now. But passing on information doesn't feel like filming. Can we go inside? Just opened the door and the cat ran in. Why do you want to be in here so badly? Hello? Hello? Oh, I'll go to the store. I was making a commitment not to film today, and you're making... Oh my goodness, you're making it difficult. Hello, baby. Hello, sweetie. Listen, I'm making a new vlog, and the wind was so bad, it's just ruined the audio. And I'm trying to figure out how to salvage it. Maybe I'm combining 1 day or 2 day, and I just thought, let me just sit here. So I got up at 2:30 Hey, I got up at 2:30 a.m. I would open the door if I knew you were there. I got up at 2:30 and began working on it. I now have what I call the bed. It's long. I have the bed, and then I want to do some narration. That can happen. But I've been here many times. I like it. I've done so much here. But the one thing I haven't done is rest. So unapologetically, today, I rested. I should have opened the door if I knew you were going to be so sweet. Hello, kitty, kitty, kitty. Can I name you? We're going to make the thumbnail for the YouTube stage. Sure, YouTube channel. Come in. Right there. Right? And I'm going to be like this. Then can you look right there? Another example of why would I go anywhere? Because I'm going someplace for a beautiful sunrise, but this is another case of why are we leaving? A little insight about the vlog. This would appear that it's my first morning on the island of Milos. I've been here for days with no camera, and even more, not doing anything. I've been here before. I caught up on editing. I caught up on rest. I used the local beach. I just didn't go anywhere, and it's kind of nice. Here on the island of Milos, I've driven my ATV to the port, where I can always count on a dependable, beyond basic chocolate croissant and a perfect double espresso. It's my go-to spot for the best sunrise, with an unbeatable view of the marina. 4 different islands, 4 different bakeries. Look at the ratio. Let's find out. 9 Okay, all the way through. I'm doing all new experiences. I just had a quarter of turkey cut, €3. The eggs are not refrigerated here. They're not in dozen, they're in tin. Good. Have to. Let me think about this. Nope, never have I made a breakfast. Nope, never have I made a breakfast on my trips. Anyway, I tell you what, but I am gonna less complicate it and just hard-boil the eggs. All at once. Let's eat. I think this is extremely interesting. I've never done it before, and it's transitional. That's gonna get me back home to a normal routine, which was always 4 scrambled egg whites and 2 yolks. Not yummy pastries on the hour, every hour. Not even your professional knuckleheads are jumping right now because it's so rough. Pollonia, where I'm staying, is over here. Sarakiniko, where I am right now. Well, the port's not far away. Well, the port has Yonkos. Let's go have a chicken pita. As I mentioned it earlier about the transformation. Well, as I look back upon this vacation, I think it's time to transform again. Unshaven and indulging in anything that came in front of me. Even though I'm not leaving today, I think it's the right time to transform back. But I'm also ready to face life with a new clarity that I've achieved on this vacation. So today, I begin cleaning my act up for my journey home. But on this trip, I just wanted to look ridiculous and free again. So one day in my future, I will look at it and smile out loud. Yes.